been editing today. I did my morning pages in my journal, and I start week 8 of the Artist's Way, and I'm really excited about it. I think I want to try vlogging more on my camcorder. Starbucks, and I put a mobile order in, but they decided to close early. They still accepted my order though, so I'm gonna go home now. I got this idea from my friend Maxine, who I'm working alongside doing the Artist's Way, and they bought some oven baked clay and made a little paint palette out of it. And I was like, I am pretty sure I've seen it on Pinterest where people do it with their seashells. So I was like, you know what? This nice little bag of shells I've gotten from trips. Like, I think these are from Florida actually. I don't know how to do this, so I feel like I need like a roller. Get a glass jar. Wow, that was crazy. I don't know if I broke anything. Wow, that was so wild. What? I'm going for a beach theme. I'm not sure if you can tell by the colors. Okay, I feel like I need a lot more than that. I don't know if that's what this is for. It sucks if it is. This is actually kind of like a patchwork vlog. My camera is just shaking. Oh, it's going to shake while I'm doing that, isn't it? There we go. Will that help? A little bit. This is kind of like a patchwork vlog. So, I got all of the supplies for this. I thought I was going to vlog. Ooh, last week? What day is it? But here's what I remember. Okay, the freaks were out that day. The freaks were out. For starters, I walked to the store. I was walking to the store and somebody, I don't know what it is in Michigan, but people just keep honking at you. If you're a person who likes to go on walks, everyone is honking at you for no reason. So I was going on my walk and someone just pulled up really close to me, next to me, and honked. And in my mind, I'm like, oh, maybe I know them. And so I turn around to see if it's someone I know, like a car I recognize. I don't know anyone here, so obviously it's not. I realize it's not someone I know, and then I'm like, okay, whatever, and I keep walking. And then they honk again immediately after. But I just turned around, so I know there's no other cars on the road. So I look back, and they flick me off. I don't know. That was weird. Weird behavior. Very, very Michigan. What else happened? So then I'm crossing the street. There's like a busier street I have to cross to get to the store. Walmart. It was a Walmart. And as I'm crossing the street, there's like an older gentleman also crossing the street, and he's a little slower. So I'm like, I'm not rushing, you know. I'm like just walking at a normal pace. But I also don't want, like, say the light changes while that man is halfway through the street. I don't want this man to just be in the middle of the street alone. As we're both crossing, I almost did it again. As we're both crossing the street, someone yells, "Show me your butthole," out of their car window. It was a truck, so I feel like that's enough said. Then I go to the store, and I'm having fun, and I get all my supplies, and I'm like, ooh, this is going to be so fun. I cannot wait to go home and to try this new art project and send my friend Max a bunch of pictures of me having fun and doing it, and it obviously is going to come out perfect because in my mind, anytime I try something new, it's going to be perfect, even though that never happens. This is not working. I don't know what these tools are for, to be fair. After I leave the store, I'm like walking across the parking lot, and it's a huge parking lot. It's a Walmart parking lot, so it's ginormous. Parking lots used to be filled up when I was younger. Now you know how Walmart parking lots are. There's like never anyone.
Wow, look how big and empty the parking lot is, huh? What?
I'm walking across. And I like feel something behind me. Like enough where I like know something is kind of close. There's birds flying around, so it could, you know. But then I feel something getting closer and like almost hear it. So I turn around really quick. And it's a man on his bicycle who has to swerve out of the way now because I've noticed him.
Tina, relax. Easy. Okay. Tina, you're kind of headed toward the only other car in the lot. You have plenty of time to turn, Tina, so just go ahead. Turn one way or the other. You're just swerving back and forth. Turn one way and stick with it, Tina. Tina, for the love of God!
Oh, excuse me. And then I'm like, what, like, you know, like, why was he that close to me? And he goes, I am, aren't I? What are you talking about, dude? And he goes, excuse me, am I bleeding right here on my cheek? And I go, I don't see anything. And he goes, oh, okay. Dude, leave me alone. What is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, actually, maybe all of their intentions were good. Weird, sure, but maybe all of their intentions were good. Actually, except for that butthole. Whoever that was weird. I'm really struggling to make this look like a beach. That looks cool though.